What features should be mentioned about PowMr Solar Inverter 4500W 24V to 120V? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Solar inverter with battery-less run and priority management. This 4500W hybrid solar power inverter features unique daytime battery-less operation. When solar power generation is sufficient, it can directly power your loads, resulting in cost savings. Users can freely configure the priority of solar charging, AC utility charging, and battery output via the LCD setting screen, enabling smart home energy storage management. It's the perfect off-grid backup power and emergency power supply during outages solution. Pure sine wave for sensitive electronics. Delivers rated 4500W, 9000W surge, pure sine wave AC output with a clean and stable waveform. It safely powers all household appliances and sensitive electronic devices, including air conditioners, refrigerators, water pumps, and power tools, without risk of damage, extending their operational life. 140 amp MPPT charge controller with 98% efficiency. Equipped with a built-in 140 amp MPPT solar controller, supporting a maximum 5600W solar panel input and a high 350V DC input voltage, with a conversion efficiency up to 98%. It rapidly charges various 24V battery systems like AGM, GEL, lithium-ion, and lithium iron phosphate battery, enhancing the overall efficiency of your off-grid solar power system. Glass top cover with LCD touchscreen for smart control. Features a sleek tempered glass top cover design housing a 6.25-inch LCD touch display. It provides clear visibility of real-time voltage, charging current, load power, and other critical data. The intuitive interface allows for easy configuration of advanced parameters like battery type selection, charging current setting, and amp-hour meter management. Multi-protection circuit ensures safe and reliable operation. Incorporates a triple cooling fan system and a full suite of safety mechanisms including overload protection, over-temperature protection, short-circuit protection, and reverse connection protection. Its smart battery charging algorithm optimizes battery lifespan, and the One Key Default Settings restoration feature ensures worry-free use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.